Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Library on the left. Wherever you decided, after selecting photos that you wish to get rid of, hold one of them and click on those type of dots at the top left corners. To exclude some pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, select this bin at the top next to the shopping cart. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!